Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm going to show you this castor oil. In Hindi it is known as arandi ka tel. So this is from a brand known as a company known as Alkamil. It's written over here 100% castor oil, natural, back to nature. And what else is written over here? The industrial registration number, they have mentioned 100% castor oil. Use teaspoon with a warm drink, honey or juice, means you can have it also. It's edible, and if you want to apply to your hair or your body, this oil has so many other benefits which you can find in YouTube, because I have read so much about it. It helps in conceiving also. And keep it in a dry place at room temperature. That's good. And over here they have mentioned the production as well as the expiry date. The expiry is very far, 2020. So that's it. Other than that, over here they have mentioned the nutritional information like energy, protein, fat, saturates and many other things. So cholesterol also, it's 0%, so it's very healthy oil. Over here they have written Omani. It's an Omani country, so they are producing it in Oman, I believe. Now I'm gonna open it. I must tell you friends that they have so many other oils like this. So this is how it looks like. The castor thing look like this. The seeds which are visible over here, it looks like this. I'm gonna open it now. For the first time I'm trying this product. Yes, one more packing. So for production purpose they have added one more shell to it, because it's in a glass bottle. That's why. This is how it looks like, prepared from the best quality of castor seeds, and nothing much is mentioned. Now I'm gonna open it and smell it, whether how it smells. So this is how nice. I'll show you in this. It's a very thick oil. If you'll touch it, you could feel it's very thick. It's not like other oil, it's very thick. Don't apply directly to your hair. At least mix some other oil with it, like coconut, mustard oil, whatever suits your hair, and then apply, because it's very hot and warm for your scalp also. So if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for more such videos. Thank you friends. Bye bye. Take care. Love you all.